Please confirm. Yes. Ticket cost $36. That's on the back. Fancy people. My expiration date thing, I can't select it. I don't know what to do about that. Sorry. You must accept the terms and conditions. Where? Oh. I agree. Oh, I ran out of time. Crap. Well, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, but... Oh, there it goes. Okay. That's good. Welcome, Scott Abner, order confirmation. Please print this page for your records. Note it's best to print in landscape format. Yeah, whatever. Anyhow, maybe I'll see you there. Right. That's true. That's possible. Yeah. It is the summer, but you know. Go to where? There's a veggie grill over there now? Like a veggie grill with fake meat. Huh? No, I'm surprised because they usually like email me, you know, letting me know about like new locations and stuff. But there's one in Seal Beach now, or Long Beach, whatever. Interesting. Anyway, we'll figure that out later. I think it's come on the phone. That's the confirmation thing that I'm trying to print out. It's like 3 pages. So. Because they said landscape mode format. So, forget landscape format. So, let's see. Did I go to what? Oh, is there a printer friendly version? View printer friendly.